Hello everyone, my name is Dion Durr from Pinky's Iron Doors, and we're here to showcase our Queensway Double flat door today. Okay, so we're on the Queensway door today. This is a 72 by 96 inch door that's being displayed. So remember, all of our measurements are always measured from outside to outside measurements, okay? So 72 inches goes from here all the way to here. And then 96 inches goes from the top all the way to the bottom of the threshold is 96 inches. This is relatively a new door for us. I think it's gonna work out very well. It comes in different shapes. It comes in a single door also, and it comes in different shapes in a single door also. This is all solid flat bar, okay? This is not a hollow piece of tubing. This is all rugged, pretty heavy duty door over here. This is all solid pickets also that have been heated and bent to shape. And then that goes inside the kick plate. On custom order, guys, you guys can actually request to have this eliminated if you want to take this all the way down and have a larger piece of glass. This is an oil rub bronze door, which means it starts off as a black door and then we add bronze to it. Different colors of this door is definitely available if needed. You can do a special order on that. And this glass that's being displayed is Aquatex. So this is the most amount of privacy you can get and also get the most amount of light in. Next step up from this will be the frost glass. As you can see, the closer you get, the more privacy you get. The farther away you get, the more privacy you get. So you can see motion. I always tell customers you can see motion, but you won't be able to see body parts if you're like a foot away. Awesome door. Let me flip this around and show you guys the other side of this. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how the glass opens up. I'll twist the knobs, flick it over. Glass opens up. This makes it easy to clean the glass, clean all the scroll work or all the design on this door. Remember, on all of our doors, we do have an optional screen. You can add a screen to the door and it goes between the glass and the scroll work. One thing, guys, with all of our doors, we have a little slope here. It actually slopes down, so if you get side wind and water does hit the door, it's not going to get trapped here, and it'll cause a lot of damage to a metal door over time. So we slope this so the water actually drains down. Pretty cool feature. I should have talked about that stuff on other doors, but anyways, all of our doors have dual weather stripping on the glass. We have one on the door itself, and we have another one on the glass. This door also has, we duplicated the design from the outside exterior side of the door to the interior side of the door. That's all solid picket, guys. This is a pretty heavy door itself. And also we have this door for wine cellars, for interiors. Pretty cool. Hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys on the next door. Hello everyone, I hope you guys enjoyed the Queensway showcase today. If you need to contact us, it's info@pinkysirondoors.com. That's info@pinkysirondoors.com, or you can call us at 844-843-6677. Thank you.